Hi guys, good afternoon. Happy Thursday. This is Sarah James coming at you live from JessieJamesBeads.com warehouse here in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. I am representing Jessie James Beads, as you probably know already. So we've got a lot of cool things going on today. Yesterday was What's New Wednesday, which is always awesome because we present some really cool new and innovative finds for you guys. Sometimes there's stuff that our bead team has created in-house. Sometimes it's stuff that we've manufactured. So What's New Wednesday is always a really exciting time for us to share our passion with you out there in the world. Hello, there goes Shanna. Shanna is an integral part of the Jessie James community and a big supporter of these Facebook Lives. So thank you, Shanna. So thanks for joining me here on this Thursday afternoon, Thursday early evening. I have the camera going straight up and down for those of you that will be watching this on YouTube later. Working on figuring out how to get the screen monitor to switch its direction for our YouTube videos when we do these things and post them into a different space. Anyway, I'm rambling, and I have a couple things that I want to share with you. Some big things coming up before we get into our connectors. I'm so excited about these. So let's see. First of all, we have a free wire gift going on at JessieJamesBeads.com right now. We really love Beadalon so much, and the 19 strand wire that they have is so excellent for creating with Jessie James Beads. It's really strong, yet it's very flexible still. The number 19 in 19 strand stands for 19 stainless steel wires that are encased in this nylon coating. So in your wire, which is like super thin and fabulous for stringing even small beads, there's actually 19 pieces of wire that's in there, and that's what makes it so very strong. And you can have a spool of your own in whatever color you please. We have 3 for free when you order before midnight tonight with your $49 order. We've got silver, this like really beautiful silver color. Catching a little bit of a glare here. And there's black and there's gold. So that's happening now. You can go to the homepage and find out more about that. The black is like really slick, isn't it? I like that one. I like that one a lot. So, free wire gift happening now. We've got some really fun events coming up for Tucson, Arizona. It's happening really soon. We're doing a bunch of events with Beads of Courage out there. Really excited to be welcomed back, to be invited back to Katie Hacker's bracelet making event. This will be on Wednesday night at the Beads of Courage Center. Tickets are limited to only 50 people are allowed in that room. So if you haven't checked it out yet, please do. It's awesome. And since you're here live with me, I'll just let you know, at Jessie James, we are going to be doing a really special Zodiac bangle. So when you come to the Jessie James table, I'll be there. We are going to string up some beads that are representative of your personal zodiac sign, and you'll get a little charm to go with it. It's going to be really fun. These are like special strands that our design team has come up with, and I cannot wait to share them with you in person. Some of them here. This is a teaser just for you guys. So that's Tucson. More events will be posted up here on Facebook, but if you're looking to get involved with that bracelet making party that is on Wednesday, February 6th, definitely go and get yourself a seat reserved because it will sell out and you won't want to miss it. Let's see who's here. Hi, Brenda. Yay. Hi, Suzanne. Hi, Teresa. Oh, hi, Deb. Hi, Sandra. Hi, Kimber. Hi, Susie. Hi, Martha. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining tonight. Last but not least, with the announcements for today is the Magical Mystery Bead Box. She is now live on the site, the January box. The theme is called Across the Universe. And it's very spacey and really, oh, there's so many cool components in here. There's only 9 of them on the site. I thought there was more. There is not. So 9 of them are available for post-purchase. And our subscribers got these sent to them in their mailboxes this past month. It's a great collection. Stacy from our design team put it together. This one it's So without further ado, oh, Martha Parsons says that this was her favorite box so far. Martha, thank you so much. Yeah, I enjoy it also. Okay, so I'm gonna flip the camera around. I wanna share with you some of my favorite connectors, and then we are gonna make a fast and furious pair of earrings. Not this one, but these are, I mean, these tassels just lend themselves to create really, really quick and easy jewelry projects. And if you're like me, limited on time, loves to accessorize. So quick and easy is the way to go. Let's look at some connectors. Hey. All right, my blank space. Let's fill it up. Okay, so some of the connectors that we have here, I'm gonna just show you some of my personal faves and give you a little backstory on what they are and what you can do with them. So these connectors were designed by the Jesse James design team. We had them manufactured. They are the last of their kind, and they're just so special. Many of them started off as drawings, and then we had them engineered to be produced for this connector line. So connectors, what a connector is a piece, a jewelry making component that has loops on both sides. So this is perfect for if you need a middle piece for a bracelet. If you're looking for a focal, you can string beads on other ends of it. What I am really hankering to do is to create some earrings with these connectors. They're super ornate and beautiful. To me, this looks like a very easy jewelry making project that's going to come out just beautiful. Now this elephant here, this one's a favorite. Oh gosh, I love this elephant so much. Guys, do you like him? Oh, I'm in love with this guy. I don't know if you'd really turn him into an earring because of the way that his loops are oriented. Some of these, it doesn't matter if you string them straight up and down or if you string them side to side. But this would make the cutest little focal piece for a necklace or a bracelet right there. I love him, and I just love the colors. Red and that like seafoam green and gold. They're not really colors that I would typically think to put together, but it works so well on this piece with the antique silver. I'm a fan. So follow your arrow. Let me just grab a couple more from over here that I've been digging on. Ooh, this one's a favorite. I've got another good one for earrings. This one's super sweet. Bear with me. Whoopsie daisies. Just spilled a few. Okay. So this one is really adorable. This one was drawn by our own Stacy Ackerman in the bead design department. It says, "I love you to the moon and back." And it is a mother holding her child with 3 little celestial rhinestones. So cute. Such a great gift to give a new mom. Ah, I love this so much. I really do. It's just adorable. Oh, so sweet. Oh, so simple and sweet. Okay, this one's my personal favorite. This one's called the All-Seeing Eye. And it's got a really cool hematite stone in there. The rhinestones are super sparkly. Linda says she loves this one. Yeah, I love the hammered look of the metal going around it, and that you could string it either way. You could do it as a bracelet. You could make some big door knocker earrings out of it. I'd be like, got eyes on all sides of my head if you made them as earrings. Another one that I like for earrings is this beautiful pink. So cute. Really sparkly and shiny. Very girly. Very girly girly. Let's see. Fans have often asked us if we'll make some cross jewelry. We have these beautiful crosses. Just really nice for Easter coming up. Make some jewelry like that. Oh, and here's another one that I want to share with you as well. Look at this funky, very oriental looking color palette and the round ring. Just has a little bit of a mandala feel to it. This could be earrings too. Like, add a tassel to the bottom, string them up, earrings. And that is exactly what we are going to do right now. So I told you guys before that I like quick and easy when it comes to jewelry making. I like to wear the jewelry. I want to, you know, I guess I'm new to with jewelry making, so if I can make a project fairly quick, it makes me feel really accomplished with something. So I'm going to share with you how these pieces can be quickly turned into a pair of earrings. These are the ones that I chose to use, and I love them because they match this tassel set, which I just picked up from the back shelf. We have a new tassel set. It's called the Perfect 10 Tassels, I believe, and you get 10 pairs of our Jesse James tassels. It's a grab bag, so they'll all be different, but this is what I've got in the bin right now. So if you order in the near future, you'll be getting tassels that are around this color palette and styling. All right. So I'm gonna use some jump rings. Let's see what size these are. 6mm jump rings from Beadalon. And also, I am going to prop this camera up because it seems to be moving in and out. Julie Mode wants to know, what package is that elephant in? This elephant is not in a package. All of these are connectors, and they can be found on the What's New page at Jesse James Beads. If you click the link above here in this Facebook Live, you'll be able to be directed to where those elephants are hanging out at. All right, so I'm using some jump rings from Beadalon. It's brand new, freshy pack. Maybe this is a no-no. Do any of you guys open up your components packs with your beading tools? I try not to misuse the tools. I hope it's okay that I just did that. Okay, so 2 jump rings. And from this tassel set, I am really loving, obviously, these ones to go with it. They're just a beautiful, beautiful match. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to open my jump ring. A tip that I've heard that's been really helpful to me is that when you're opening your jump ring, make sure you get as much surface area of your pliers onto the jump ring. Like really, really grip it. Don't hold it just with the tip, but really get a nice grip with the thicker portion of your flat nose plier on the jump ring. Okay. All right, jump ring open. I'm going to slide my tassel on, slide the connector on, and just close this guy back up. Okay, easy peasy. Oh wow, super easy. One more. Oops. Make sure the jump ring is properly oriented. Slide the tassel, slide the connector, close her back up. All right, there we go. Fast and furious, that's what I promised you guys, didn't I? This is looking good. I'm into it. Then I have 2 ear wires. These are also from Beadalon. We carry these at Jesse James Beads, and Beadalon is we're neighbors with those guys out there in Coatesville, Pennsylvania. So it's nice to do some work with them when we can. Just gonna twist open my ear wire like that. Drop the connector, the tassel connector in. I can just twist it back with my fingers. I could use tools with this, but it was so easy for me to just do it with my hands. Why bother? One more. All right. Earrings. Look at these. I really like them. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to reintroduce you guys to these connectors. We have had them at Jesse James, but they have, man, they've gone unnoticed for some time, and they're really, really special. Like I said, all the connectors that are on the What's New page right now have been designed by the Jesse James design team. We created them with the intention for bracelets, but really they're so fabulous for earrings. I'm just enamored with the way that these earrings came out so quick and easy. I mean, you could sell these and make some cash on them. They're beautiful, or just wear them, which is what I'm gonna do to dinner with my mom and grandma after I get out of here with you guys. So let me flip the camera on real quick. Well, that was fun. These tassels, I'm telling you, that 10-pack tassel set will go a long way. I made these earrings just the other day. Now these ones, I'm gonna try them on for size. Oh yeah. Ooh, I like it. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, I'm totally a fan. Guys, thanks so much for coming and looking at some connectors with me. Again, connectors are a really great way to add a cool focal piece to a bracelet, or if you get two, you got yourself a really hot pair of earrings in like no time flat, just like that. So it doesn't need to be hard to make something that's really cute and fun to wear. So that's that. All of the connectors that are online are limited edition. They're the last that we have of their kind. So if you like them, go grab some, because I know like that elephant is probably gonna move. That elephant has been a popular one for us. So thanks again for joining today. If you are shopping, whoopsies, the beadle on wire will be automatically added to your cart, or you'll be prompted to choose which color you want at checkout with your $49 order. So that's going on through midnight tonight. No code needed or anything like that. And that's about it. Thanks for hanging out with me this evening. I hope you have a great night. Okay, it's almost Friday. It's after work on Thursday, so we're there. We made it. Have a great Friday, guys. I'll talk to you later.